Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install software update. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, select settings icon from top. Select device preferences. Go to about. Under about, here we can see version. So right now this TV has Android TV OS version 10. I am going to update this. Go to system update. Select system update. Now it's checking for update. Please wait. Okay, done. It shows new update available. Version of this new update is Android TV OS version 12.1.1. Size of the update 762 MB. On right side you can see one download button. Select the download button. So now it's downloading this update. Please wait. Okay, download has completed. Now we have to restart. Select restart now. Now it's restarting. Now it's installing system update. Please wait. Okay, update has completed. Okay, done. So let me check the version. Go to settings, select settings icon from top. Go to device preferences. About. You can see version has changed. See, so this way we can download and install software update. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.